Greetings friends! Today we are going to bake dried fruit oat bars. This is a very flavorful, soft and easy to make dessert with a golden crust and rich fruity taste. To make these bars, you will need butter 340 grams or 12 ounces, sugar 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, brown sugar 125 grams or 4.4 ounces, milk 250 milliliters or 8 fluid ounces, vanilla extract half of a tablespoon, all-purpose flour 240 grams or 8.5 ounces, baking soda 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, cinnamon 1 teaspoon, nutmeg 1 teaspoon, raisins 170 grams or 6 ounces, dried dates 115 grams or 4 ounces, dried cranberries 190 grams or 6.7 ounces, oats 490 grams or 17.3 ounces. In a large bowl, combine the oats, flour, baking soda, salt, spices and dried fruit and mix until well combined. Next, in the bowl of a stand mixer, combine the softened butter and sugars and using the paddle attachment mix on medium speed until creamy. Next, add the milk and vanilla extract, mix, then add the dry ingredients and dried fruit mixture and mix until smooth. Spread the dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and place it in the oven preheated to 360 degrees of Fahrenheit or 180 degrees of Celsius. Bake for 35 or 40 minutes until golden brown. Let the sheet cool in the refrigerator for 3-4 hours, then cut it into squares of equal size. Store the bars in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Friends, this dessert is very easy to make and is perfect for any occasion. You can take it to work as a snack, enjoy it with breakfast or afternoon tea, serve it at a holiday dinner or take it with you on a picnic. Be sure to save this recipe because you will definitely need it someday, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I wish you best of luck this delicious treat and bon appetit!